Hello, welcome to this Moto theme demo. So here we bring the version 4 of the most powerful all-in-one WordPress theme on the planet. With Moto theme version 4, you will be instantly able to create top converting website in almost every niche. You can make unlimited websites and multiply your income streams without paying any extra. We give you 300 plus pre-made layouts, a drag and drop page builder, a developer license, which means limitless usage, high converting landing pages, and A grade on GT metrics fast loading themes. You can create various video blogs, marketing websites, and business websites with Moto theme easily. You can also sell products online with the WooCommerce feature of Moto theme. So in this demo, I will show you how to use Moto theme and how to import the demos and different settings of Moto theme version 4. So let's head on to our WordPress dashboard. This is my WordPress dashboard and the theme is already installed and all the plugins are also already installed in the WordPress. So right now I'll show you the most important setting options for Moto theme. On the sidebar, when you scroll down, you will see a setting name MT4 options. These are the important Moto options. From here you will be able to import demo and various theme layouts, header settings, sidebars, footer sections, edit appearance of the theme, and more. So let's check out all the demos of the Moto theme. Here are the pre-made layouts of various niches and websites which you can easily create just by one easy click. You can also sort the demos by blog, services, and portfolios. So right now here you can see all the demos which are pre-made and just a one click install away and to activate your website. You can choose any demo and just click on it to import. So I'll show you how to import the demo. Like here is one demo of carpet installation business. I'll click on import demo and click on OK, and within seconds the demo will be installed. And after the installation of the demos, you can easily edit them with various features. So as you can see, the demo is successfully installed. Right now, to check how the demo is installed, we can go to the site. We can click on visit site, open a new tab. So as you can see, the demo is live now and is installed on your WordPress. You can easily edit the pages, the settings, the buttons, the sliders, and many more things. For your convenience, the demo is already set at good spacing, with good fonts, with color options, and much more. You need not to change much to get started with the website. Now let's see other demos. So now I also want to change my demo, and I can also easily preview the demos, like an app landing page demo. I can click on preview and it will load a preview for the demo, so I need not to install it to check how the demo looks. So this is how the demo looks of the app landing page. This is a single page. Like this same, you can also check all the other demos easily by clicking on the preview button and choose which demo you would like to use for your website. So now we have installed the theme. I'll show you the different settings of the Moto options. I'll go back to the dashboard. The first option was demo importer. The second option in the Moto settings, the MT4 option, is under construction. You can set up a under construction bar on your website which doesn't take your user to the home page, which is still in under construction. You can set a timer on that page, email button, a notification button, and also you can set images on your under construction bar. So here are various settings, like you can change the heading, You can keep any trendy heading for your customers, for your visitors of the website. You can add a description about when will the site be live or when the site will launch. You can set a background color. You can change the background color easily. You can set it to transparent. You can change the heading color, or you can also set it to transparent. You can also change the text color, which will be the description of the under construction bar. You also have the timer settings. If you click on the timer settings and click on turn on, here are the various layouts for the timers which you can set. You can give a timer heading. You can have a date for your timer and the time period, what you want, AM or PM. You can also select a time zone very easily. And when you click on save changes, all the settings will be saved and the under construction bar will be live on your home page. There are various different settings like time color border, time label color, number color, and more. And also additional settings, you can add social icons on your under construction bar, which will be very easy for your visitors or followers to easily access your Facebook and Instagram pages or Twitter pages. You can also add a contact form very easily, which is pre-created. And I'll go above now. I'll show you the other settings like theme layout. So theme layout is an option which is you can select by a box layout. The page or your website will be in a box layout like a blog, and you can have a background image back of it. And also there is a single page option which does not have multiple pages. It only has a single page, a menu, and which will scroll by when you click on the menu, various menu options, it will scroll down automatically. If you turn this on, the single page website builder will be automatically turned on when you go to edit pages. Now I'll show you the header settings. So there are two headers, a main menu header, a top header, and a page title. So the top header goes above the main menu. These are the various layouts for the top header. When you turn on the top header, you will have option to edit the top header. This is the top header manager. You can check what is enabled and what is disabled just by dragging and dropping into the drag and drop section. When you click on save changes, you will see the difference here. Right now this is turned off, and there are padding options which you can set. Nothing is fixed. It's very versatile and very easy. You can have a proper amount of spacing as per your choice, as per your liking. A top bar background color, a top bar color text, your width, what will be the width of the top bar, and the button settings. You can change the button text here very easily. So yeah, and I'll now show you the main menu option. In the main menu option, you can turn on and off the menu. If you have an app landing page or any kind of landing page, you can turn off the menu which does not need a menu. So you can turn that off and on. If you turn on the settings, there are options for site logos and various images you want to show. This will be various menu styles which you can choose from. You can change the width of the menu. You can also choose the menu to be sticky or not. You can also add a sticky background color, sticky bar background color, sticky bar text. Current page menu color also can be chosen. And as I said, it is very versatile. You can change so many things in the theme as per your choice. There are many editing options, and the user will not be locked by various settings. It is so much editable and very easy to set everything as per your need. Here are additional settings like background color, the padding. You can select the menu which you want, like left menu, main menu, mega menu, and right menu. Here will be menu text colors, menu hover text colors, drop down background colors, drop down link colors, drop down link colors on hover, and more. Here are custom or header options which you can choose from if you do not want to edit all the settings. If I go above, the other setting will be page title. In page title, there is option like you can turn on and off the page title. For more information on page title and other settings, you can also check our documentation. Here are page title settings: left, right, parallax, and title video. You can change the padding of your page title. You can also change the background, add an image. Also, you can add an overlay on the image, and overlay you can choose the color for the overlay, and you can turn on and off the breadcrumb. So these are some editing settings of the menus and the page titles. Next setting I will go is the sidebar. So in sidebar there are various options. You can select the position of sidebar to left, right, and on the center. This is container. This is kind of a box layout. Here are sidebar styles which you can set. You can edit these sidebars below. Here you can give the settings like the height, the spacing, the color, the font size, and various additional settings if you want, like hover settings and text color settings. So this is it, and now I'll go to footer section. You can also edit your footer and change the design of your footer very easily. Here's the example of how will the footer look and how are the various designs of the footer which are provided already in the Moto theme in the pre-built demos. These are the main settings of the footer. You can turn on and off the footer as your choice. You can select a page for your footer. You can also have footer background image. You can choose a solid color for the footer if you want. You can change the background image by clicking here. You can remove the image. Here are the copyright settings which go below the footer. As you know, you can select out of three of them, any of them. Here is the text which will go in the copyright settings bar, and the background color and the text color and other settings. So the next setting will be appearance. In appearance there are more options like setting a button color, setting a color background to a button, text color in the button, and hover effects. And color style, you can also choose it to be gradient. These are basic button settings which will go all over the website. You can also add a page loader to your website. You can upload the file, the page loader file, and you can also have a page loader background if you want, and if you choose to transparent, you can check to transparent option. There will be a back to top button, the arrow that takes you top on the home page, top of the header. You can turn on and off. There are various alignment options for that button too, in the center, in the right, in the left. The button color or or it should be transparent. You can also upload a custom image for your button here by clicking on upload button. So other settings are page typography settings and post typography settings. Now with Moto theme we have a wide variety of typography settings. You can set your font, your body background, your body font, and you can also change the fonts for H1, H2, H3, H4 and other headings. There are various fonts here to choose from. You can change the font weight style, the font subsets. You can also change the alignment of the font for the heading, the size and the line height and the color. And same goes with the other headings too. So this is the typography settings of a page. Now I'll show you post typography settings. So these are the body settings here in the post typography. If you want to keep color, to give a color to a body of the post, or keep it transparent, you can choose the typography settings for a post page that will be same as the page typography settings. Various multiple fonts of the body, the heading fonts are editable. And here we have some default templates. These are default templates like which will be square, curve and dark. And these settings will be applicable for default templates like 404 page or search, category page or archive, blog, etc. Go to our documentation for more detailed for detailed information for these settings. A single post page. Here in the single post page you can also select the style, then the date. On a single post, if you want to show on a blog post, you want to show a date below your blog, or the author's name, the author's image, the comment number, the tags, the categories, everything is editable, nothing is fixed. So you can just check and uncheck the boxes which you want to show on the blog post of your website, and just save the changes. You can select the style of the blog post, which will be with a background or without a background. There are sharing options. You can check and uncheck the sharing options if you want. You can give information about the author on your blog post. Author section also, you can change the color of author section and author section text color and more related posts. By checking this, it will show the related post and the recent post which will be on your website and your other blogs. And the post default color can be also chosen. The next setting is WooCommerce styles. So as I mentioned earlier, you can sell products easily with the WooCommerce settings of Moto Theme version 4. So here are various WooCommerce styles. Here is WooCommerce sidebar position, which can be set to left, right, and both in the center. The product columns, 2 columns, 3 columns, or 4 columns. Button background color can be changed. Button background color on hover can be changed. The text color, the border color, and the color on hover also can be changed, and other various settings. There is a pagination option which you can set the color also to. You can change the color of the pagination numbers here very easily, and other additional settings like cart icon. You can turn on and off the cart icon of a WooCommerce website or the page. Now I'll go to social settings. Here in social settings, you can add your Facebook, Twitter, and Dribbble, Instagram, LinkedIn, and other various social network links here, so your visitors can reach you very easily on social media. You can also choose the icon design settings, icon color, icon background color, icon border, and what happens when the user hovers on these social media icons also can be turned off and on. The next option is sticky bar. You can just turn on and off the sticky bar and change the various settings and editing settings of the sticky bar as per your choice. The editing of the various settings are same as the above options, so there is nothing complicated in editing the various settings because everything is similar to each other, so there will be no confusion in editing many other options too. Google Analytics, you can add Google Analytics script to your website and easily check your traffic and your website progress on Google Analytics easily. You can also add your custom code. There is an option to add your JS code or your CSS for your website in this setting option. We will also provide video tutorials for your need, which will be in this section, some FAQs, and the import-export options. With all these settings, I complete this Moto V4 demo, and in other demos I'll show you how you can easily edit the theme, the pre-made templates, and how you can easily change the slider effects and the slider images and backgrounds, change the layouts very easily just by dragging and dropping them, and changing the images, creating forms, and many other features of Moto Theme version 4. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned.